Now the people must say a freedom for Jacure. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and your comment in the comment section. Now we hear Vybz Kartel make a video. I sing one of Jacure song them. And he must say freedom for Jacure as well. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you agree with the industry, Vybz Kartel and Jacure's fans who say freedom for him. Talk to me in the comment section. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Look and listen. As I say, now we hear Vybz Kartel a call for Jacure freedom. Now, for those who wonder how Jacure find himself behind the bars, now appealing his incarceration. Remember, I couldn't hear what he go on, and they will continue reasoning from this. As I say, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I want enough to look, and I also want enough to listen. Some people believe say Jacure's temper is what put him behind the bars.
Brother, let me tell you a story. I'm in the middle of Amsterdam Square with some killers. I'm waiting on Papa to stab them like 60,000 times, bro, and I have the knife myself. I'm ashamed to tell you this, bro. I take off all my jewelry. I'm in the damn square with Penko, and I'm gonna show Penko that he needs to put respect on his name. My brother, this is stupid what I'm telling you, but believe me to God, if Papa shows up here, you will hear the news and someone will be here to make the video. My brother, I'm not lying when I tell you this. I'm waiting on Papa to fix him good. And I'm waiting. If he shows, brother, you will hear the news. I make no joke. And I would never send you a voice note like this for no reason. I'm not here to make a comedy show, bro, or a movie. But I'm here to start a real fucking live show. Bro, believe me. This nigga let me work this stage and don't pay me, bro. And he's talking tough. I'm waiting on him. Bro, if he shows, you will know.
In the meantime, I would really want to ask my fans kindly, but I want all my fans to be a part of this. Leave your comment underneath here. Let me know what you think so I can give you what you want. Boom.
No, people say everybody deserves a second chance. Some people also say it's almost like the promoter, even without justifying, because some people still don't agree with Jacure's action. They must say Jacure take it too far. Being a big superstar, they should not have been the route where him go for getting money. No, he was definitely someone who had all the legal rights to get him money. Now him they behind the bars, I don't know, money reasons, and because he almost take life of somebody. Now they must say the promoter, for whatever reason, never want to get Jacure money. Some people say, why him never want to get Jacure money after him book Jacure for the show? Some people say Jacure temper. Him should did find a better way. I stated that before. But definitely agree with that though. That him should get him attorneys or, you know, law enforcement or something. He made them right. Some people have said this is a clear reference of how you can give away your rights. Meaning say how you can be right and then because taking violent action, your action being not necessarily being more serious. And they say not necessarily you taking violent action I go be more serious. That's why them say yo wild collar crime. This that be want to Jacure that more fall on the realms of white collar crime. This man no want pay him for something. But this man's a promoter of a business. There were other ways Jacure could have get him money for sure. But when him take violent action and then voice note with him telling people say him plan for take that said violent action. Remember now you say when they hear him voice I say it. And no doubt the jury did hear this. And the jury I say, you know, Jacure was a violent Man. Jackie just sound like a violent Rasta man. You're saying this is what I'm gonna do to get back my money, you know. Cause I'm gonna run me. I'm taking for food. Disrespect. All true. But was this the right thing to do? Clearly not, because Jackie already in prison now again. And I try to appeal it. And people are saying them don't know. Them don't know. This is not like Vybz Kartel scenario where they take it to a higher court. This already there a higher court. It's a first world court. And the first world court I say him guilty. So we don't know. The only thing him can hope for now a deportation. Hope say him not have to serve all him sentence and then just deport him back to him country. But Jackie have millions in investment, millions in dollars, millions in property, big car, you know. Jackie is a wealthy reggae singer. Even that glad for just get deported. Even them say him can't go back to the Netherlands. Ever. You have only other countries where him can tour and go. But tell me you think. Did Jackie go too far for try to prove him point? By saying this man had wronged him. By refusing to pay him for work what him do. Allegedly. Allegedly I think that go on him perform on stage show or something like that. Did forget some more money. Never get the rest of the money. Call him about it. See that the person I tell him point blank to him face say him not gonna give him the money, which resulted in a Jackie deciding say, watch you know, him gonna meet him at the square with the thugs. As him say. And him do what him do. But still no know though what Jackie did believe say gonna happen after him do all that. And when them get that voice note from, half of the person them send to phone or half of him phone. Because it seems very premeditated when you look at it that way. And Jackie was saying plan for do when him do before him do it. Clearly I'm gonna say yo, Jackie left out and I like him go try to get him money and this was what happened. It become violent. It gonna look like him left him yard with violence on his mind. Plan to do these things. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Of course, if you're new to the channel, so subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You want to the reason again? Live, love, and prosper, and also stay tuned.